Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to rank higher in the search results with one simple fix that will help you drive more traffic and sales to your Etsy shop. So, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to also join my Handmade Boss community to get tons of freebies. I will leave the link below this video. So let's go ahead and talk about this one simple fix. Now, did you guys know an easy way to optimize your Etsy shop for SEO is by simply using tags in your shop section? So as you guys know, the shop section is usually used to organize your items into groups where buyers can explore what you're selling. But it's very often overlooked by many buyers that you can use tags to give your store an SEO boost. And many people make the common mistake to name their sections like on sale or limited edition or dollar section. And by doing that, you're limiting less traffic to your store, basically. Now, what I recommend in order to help boost your shop for SEO is first is grouping your items accordingly. So make sure that all your listings are in the right section to and you want to make sure that you add them to the sections that are relevant to what you're selling. So if you have a wedding shop, then all wedding signs should be in one section. And then all table numbers, maybe cards, should be in another section. And maybe if you sell sitting charts, that should be in its own section. So making sure that whatever's relevant is grouped together. That's the first step. The second step is I recommend creating a list of all the items you currently sell on your Etsy store. But what you want to do is create a list. So if you sell wedding signs, that's one. If you sell sitting charts, that's another one. If you sell placement cards, that's another one. If you sell table numbers, that's another one. So creating a list. And then what you want to do is once you create that list, you want to kind of group them into 20 sections because that's the limit. You can't add more than 20 sections, but you want to use as many sections as possible, especially if you have a large inventory in your Etsy store. So you will group them into 20 sections if that's, if you have a lot of listings or as many sections as you can. And then once you group them in those sections, you want to start researching for tags that sell. So what you want to do is use any keyword tool, whether it is Google Planner, eRank, or Marmalade. You will go in there and you'll start searching for keywords that describe exactly what you sell in that section. And what you want to make sure that you're doing whenever you're doing keyword research of any kind is that you want to focus on finding keywords or long tail keywords that have high search volume higher than the competition. You never want to use a keyword that has a higher competition and less search volume. You also want to make sure that the keyword has anywhere from medium to high engagement. That means how are people interacting, right? How are buyers interacting with that particular keyword? Are people actually clicking and liking and favoring and shopping, etc.? So you want to make sure it has a medium to high engagement. Once you find these keywords that describe each particular section that you sell, I gave you an example of my actual store. I have 126 products, and then I have them in sections like social media marketing, floral logos, business logos, watercolor logos, Etsy help, and finance planners. And I have it based on keywords that I did research on. So once you do that and you have all the keywords, you're going to go back to your Etsy sections and you're going to start typing those keywords there. Now keep in mind that you are going to have a limitation of up to 24 characters before it gets cut off or it doesn't let you continue writing. So your keywords shouldn't be longer than 24 characters. It will let you know once you start typing in the keyword. If you put too many, it won't let you save it. So just keep that in mind. But when you do this and you start naming your sections, using tags that people are actually searching for, this is really going to help get a boost of SEO to your shop, because you're helping shoppers find you in the search engine. And when you do this, the algorithm is going to connect the search queries that buyers are looking for, and it's going to send you more traffic, and you actually going to rank higher in the search results. And that's the reason why I say you're going to get a boost of SEO for your shop. And this is going to help you not only on Etsy search results, but also on large search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. I will also link below where I got this information from in case you want to check. This is directly from Etsy. And this is something that is just another SEO factor that helps you rank higher in the search results, get more traffic to your store, and hopefully from there get more conversions, which is the ultimate goal, which is making more sales. So I hope that this video helps you do some changes. It's a quick fix. The only thing that would take you a little bit longer is researching the right keywords. But other than that, I mean, if you do this and you spread it out within 1 week, you should be able to complete it. And it's a simple task that is very rewarding, because you will fix that, but then now you get additional traffic and hopefully additional sales will go with that. So if you enjoyed this video, please show me some love by liking this video, by sharing it in your favorite platform, leaving me a comment below if you enjoy videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe again if it's your first time visiting. Thank you for watching.